so we're going to do a little bit different kind of video today, and we're going to show an adjustment. Or his son is in, he's not feeling well, and so he's home from school, and we're going to get him adjusted. He got adjusted this morning, and he's feeling a little bit better, so we're going to do it again. Part of the reason is a lot of people think, oh, adjustments are scary. Oh, I'm going to, something, the world's going to stop spinning if I get adjusted or something like that. And the fact of the matter is adjustments are extremely safe. And he is 10 years old, and we're going to get him adjusted. So, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, lay down.
Which one?
On this table.
Okay.
So, with any adjustment, small person, big person, kind of feel where the spine is misaligned or not moving, and just give them adjustment. Now, lay on this side. So you have to be 10 to know left from right. If you ever come in, you'll notice a lot of the adults kind of don't know that. Take that hand, put that out there, and all right. This way, and this way, right here, and ready on 3.
That was actually on 1.
Oh. And let's see, we got this. Get you ready to go back to school tomorrow. Drop that shoulder. And that one. And you, young man, are all set. How do you feel?
Better.
Anyway, that's an adjustment.
A little bit relaxed. I feel better.
So anyway, that's an adjustment, whether you're 10 or you're 90. And they're safe, they're effective, they work, especially for headaches, neck pain, back pain are the common things that bring people into our office. If you have one of those problems or something else, go ahead and give us a call, 630-530-0506, or you can jump on the web and visit our website at www.russellhealthandwellness.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.